Hello, here back again with me. My name is Lathifah. Today I'm going to show you how to use differ, different, difference, and differentiate. Okay, let's get started. The question is, are they the same? Basically, differ, different, difference, and differentiate maybe have a little bit similar meaning, but actually they have the specific meaning and it's quite different from each other. First, differ. Differ is a verb to be used in sentences. There are two meanings for differ. First, differ can be used to be not like something or someone else either precisely or in another way. For example, the twins look alike but they differ in hair color. His views differ considerably from those of his parents. The incidence of the illness differs greatly between men and women. Second, it can be used as a formal word to disagree. For example, economics differ on the cause of inflation. I beg to differ with you on that point. Second, different. The word different for part of sentences is adjective. Different means partly or totally unlike in nature, form, or quality. On the other hand, it says dissimilar or could hardly be more different. Different can also followed by from or than. For example, the two brothers could not have been more different. We need to try an entirely different approach. You can play this game in different ways. Third, there is difference. Difference can be used as noun and sentences. Difference means the way in which two or more things which you are comparing are not same. A point or way in which people or things are dissimilar. For example, the differences between men and women. The two communities are learning how to resolve their differences. And the last is differentiate. Differentiate is a branch from difference. Differentiate in sentences can be used as verb. The function of differentiate is to show or find the difference between things that are compared. For example, we do not differentiate between our employees on the basis of their race, religion, or national origin. He is unable to find differentiate between fantasy and reality. At this age, your baby cannot differentiate one person from another. Okay, that's all from me. Hope you enjoyed my video and I hope the information will help you to learn English in the future. Thank you so much. Bye!
Dance, 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 dance. I hit the floor 'cause that's my plans.